Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to change status here on Jira. Let's begin. First thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Changing the status of an issue in Jira is a straightforward process, but it's crucial and an important aspect of project management and workflow tracking, because updating the status provides a real-time view of where the issue stands in the workflow, helping the team understand what has been completed and what remains to be done. All right. Now, you see, there is an option here that says to do and close. I want you to click on that. Now, you see, if you're working with sprint, issues, backlogs, there's going to be an option that says to do, and the status should be here. If you wanted to change the status from progress to done, just go to the view workflow, and of course, you can change it and edit the workflow. For example, from done, you can put in a done status here. Maybe completed. Okay, you see, click that. Or in this case, maybe in progress. Okay. And that, all they're going to do is update the workflow and click on save, and that's that. Okay, because updating the status provides the issue has been addressed and allowing for accurate tracking of any completed work here. All right, I'm going to click on that. For example, we're going back to the same backlog earlier. Earlier to do, now you can see, for example, I'm going to choose it's in progress. All right. And in doing so, changing the status helps in realigning priorities, such as moving high priority issues to maybe in progress or urgent, to ensure they receive the necessary attention, so that you can enable accurate reporting and metrics tracking based on the issue status. For example, it's already completed, click on the done, and that's that. All right. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.